To create a band name, John Carter adopted the nickname Jazzy for the stage, eventually changing it to Jay-Z for his career name. Dave Matthews is a solo artist that has a band, so he appropriately named himself the Dave Matthews Band. The Weeknd actually drops the E and just has ND. There was once a cool band in Los Angeles called Life, Sex, and Death. Their abbreviation was LSD. Okay, so whatever technique you use to create your name, you just have to make sure that it's original and legal. Said another way, according to trademark laws, you can't have a similar name in a similar business, even when it's your own birth name. Now, if you want to wrap up your name into a cool logo, there's essentially 4 logo styles. First, word marks like Iron Maiden's is where you just feature the band's name without a whole lot of design in a unique font and color. Second, lettermarks like 9 Inch Nails is where you feature the band's name abbreviated without a whole lot of design in a cool font and color. Third, Brandmarks like the Misfits is where you just include a cool brand image without the band name. And Combinedmarks like Wu-Tang Clan, where you include the band's full name and an image combined together. Note that Combinedmarks are most popular for bands and word marks are most popular for solo artists. 2 of the best books on the music industry are available on Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notifications so you can get alerted of new videos. My name is Bobby Borg, helping musicians turn their art into more successful business. Peace.